Today, the 14th February 2022, all NGOs, pressure groups, and the public in Tura organized a public rally against the newly elected Chief Executive Member to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. The incensed pressure groups of Garo Hills broke through a police cordon and entered the premises of the GHADC. The members of the various organizations shouted slogans against the CEM Rakesh Newar Sangma, calling for his resignation, stating that the GHADC is for, of, and by the Garos, and they will not accept Rakesh Newar Sangma as their CEM. A senior magistrate and an additional district magistrate and small police force were left with no option but to step aside and let the NGOs and the pressure groups have their way.